Book 6, Family. Tommy has a mommy and daddy. Look, he has many brothers and sisters too. They all like to play with me in here. They love to be with me. His brothers and sisters play out here. They play with the blue and red ball and with little toys. His daddy and mommy and his brothers and sisters are all a family. We can play with the blue and red ball out here. Meg has a mommy. She and Meg are a family too. I love my mommy, and she loves me. We have fun. I love you too, my Meg. We are a happy little family. Tommy and Meg have a big family too. Jesus and all their friends are their big family. They are all good friends. The children like to have so many friends. It is good to have so many happy friends. Come and look. It is fun to be a big family like we are. Now it is time for play. Can we all play in here? We can. Tommy and Meg are so happy to have a big family and so many friends.